Hello everyone, it is me and I've come again. The one who believe that we can actually make Nigeria a better place for you and I to live in. Please, I don't want to take much of our time this evening. Please, this is the first time of coming across this channel on YouTube. Please subscribe, like, drop a comment and share this video. Today, we just want to quickly talk about one particular thing in Nigeria. We're paying deaf ears to this problem in Nigeria, but the fact is that if we keep paying deaf ears to these things, it's going to keep affecting us as Nigerian, home and abroad. Seeing foreign bodies coming to Nigeria, telling Nigeria that the corruption level in Nigeria is too much. Now, the US has resist Nigerian of visa. Everybody's talking and saying something because they have reasons of all these things. They have reason to resist Nigeria for whatever they feel like and whatever they want. Now, I want to quickly talk about something. Tomorrow there's election in some part of Nigeria. Tomorrow, which happened to be the 26th of January 2020. As we talk now, as we speak now, the voting is already going on in some places in Nigeria. Some places are just let me show you a video how some corpers was adopted by Nigerian forces, police as that, who is supposed to take care of Nigeria, who is supposed to be the number one security in Nigeria. Had they adopted corpers and some INEC agents we don't know of, took them to a closet and asked them to start thumbprinting for APC. The painful thing is that, let me show you this video before we continue.
Units? Then why are you here? Who forced you to come here? So which party are you talking? Which one are you talking? Which one asked you to print? Listen. They are printing APC. Yes, sir. All the whole printing APC. Yes, sir. So you are kidnapped and brought to this place? Good. These are coppers that you are kidnapped from their bullying units, brought to Ibanga Akpadi. They say kidnapped on gunpoint. Some police officers kidnapped them here and them to APC. As you can see the whole ballot papers on the ground, they are thumbprinting for APC. This is bullying units. This is a process. Yes, they are brought to rest. Print for APC. Print for APC. These are papers. They are supposed to be in their respect bullying units. Yes. Yes. You can see it. This is the senatorial election. House of Reps.
How are we going to call this? I hope you've seen that video. Nigerian youth. See, in fact, President Mohammed Buhari, Oshomole. See, this is time. Even if you people, even if your hearts are stones, as in, you guys need to, it's time for you guys to sit down, think. This thing is getting too much. It's on the whole of social media. Western people, develop what are seeing this thing. They are reading this thing. It's not telling well of Nigeria. Is the level of corruption that you guys has ascertained in Nigeria. This is the result of it all. Everybody is seeing this thing. It's not a good name to Nigeria. Now, the problem is that these people, they're not going to be punished. The Nigeria court, the Nigeria judge, the Nigeria lawmakers, now this vote now, they are voting for APC. As I understand, is for House of Rep, Senate, and National Assembly. Now, they know this candidate in this zone. No, at the end, they will tell you they know nothing about this hell of a crime against the whole of the nation. They will tell you, and the policemen who did this, none of them will be brought to book. So the crime is increasing day by day, and it's giving Nigeria a name that is not good day by day. See, let's just sit down. At least, even if we are that heartless, we don't have a heart. Let at least think. If you want to do something, let's at least do it in a way that when people find out, you won't be that. It sounds stupid. It sounds so fucking stupid that The election that is supposed to be tomorrow in Nigeria, some people are already competing for it. And these people, policemen are involved. The one who's supposed to be giving Nigeria 100% security, they are the one corrupting the country. They are the one involved in illegal actions. So tell me, is the country growing or dying? What are we into in Nigeria? Now, Oshomole will tell you that he's a man of integrity. No, this is a man of stupidity. This, as an APC national chairman, this is stupidity. Now, we had it loud and clear that they are asked to compete for APC. You are the APC national chairman. The president of Nigeria is from APC. So tell me, whatever level of corruption Nigeria has ascertained this very moment is all under APC. It is all controlled by APC. There is no doubt. We can't be scared of saying it because it is open. Now, just imagine this computer age. Now, those coppers were adopted and taken to that place. They seized their phone. They collected all their phone. But somehow, somewhere, a phone got there. Another team of Nigeria Armed Forces got in there. Now, what are you going to do? What to you now? Yes, you are in power. You have your security. You can still do something about it. But what are you? Your tomorrow, your name is not. Nigerians are seeing this thing. Nigerians are fed up with this attitude of you guys. Nigerians is no longer ready to tolerate. Nigeria is too big for all these ones that you're doing. You should know this now. The eyes of Nigerians are open because we have suffered enough. We have suffered long too enough to now stand up for what we know is right. You people need to get this into your scores and your memory. Not going outside, just sit down. You're campaigning 4+4. What have you done? What are you doing? What do you plan to do? Nothing. It's all nothing. And you borrowing money, taking money, telling Nigerians all kinds of story. You guys you need to think. You need to understand the fact that Nigerians are waking up. They are not that sleeping Nigerians of 80s and 90s. Yes, maybe people has done this and got away with it. Yeah, maybe people has done that in the time past and got away with it. But the fact is that, see, you guys need to know that in every rumor there is an element of truth. Nigerians are crying. Boko Haram all over 12 or 15 years now. Nothing is even worse. What have you guys done that at least if Nigerians said, okay, we want to clap for this person is what applauding? What? The thing is so annoying and it's so painful that, yes, now, you guys are still need to come to the media. You still go to the media that you know nothing about this whole thing. Do you think we are that foolish? We are, according to Charlie Boy, our mumu don't do. Nigerian National APC chairman, our mumu don't do. You guys need to change. You have to change for good. Thank you.